Hello, my name is Carly Small, and I will be going over the Transworld Motocross content strategy that I have created for my TWC 301 course. Transworld Motocross purpose is to create an extremely high-quality printed publication on a monthly basis and a comprehensive website. This website delivers the best photos and editorials of the industry. Who is Transworld Motocross targeting? Transworld Motocross is written for males between the ages of 16 and 45. These readers have or are predicted to have an education level of a high school diploma and a general knowledge of dirt bikes. These users have a basic knowledge of computers, which allowed them to access the site. Also, these users have basic knowledge of dirt bikes, motorcycles, and or gear, which created interest in the website and magazine in the first place. The target audience is those who live in both suburban and urban areas that have motocross tracks and free riding areas around them. This website and magazine is designed for those who have been riding dirt bikes or want to get involved in the industry. The intended target market are middle class and upper class who can afford to have a subscription to the magazine and furthermore be able to afford a dirt bike. The audience is also expected to afford maintenance of a dirt bike and the gear that goes into riding it. Now, who is the competition? Dirt Bike Magazine is the #1 selling magazine devoted to all aspects of off-road riding. This differs from Transworld Motocross, who does not focus on all aspects of off-road riding. Motocross Action is another monthly publication, but it is focused on providing motorcycle specification information, including bike and product tests, race coverage, technical features, personality stories, and events that are both current and nostalgic. Some challenges that are being faced are keeping information current is the largest issue, especially for social media. YouTube has not been updated within the last few months, and Facebook has links to only has links to articles on the website. YouTube needs to be updated more often, weekly, if not monthly. It could use personality pieces or fun rider interviews. Facebook needs to be more interactive with the user, and possibly a possible option is interactive polls. Instagram now has live stories, which would allow for rider takeover or fun live videos which create interaction between the reader and the platform. Twitter also needs to have short blurbs instead of links to articles. While the website was usable, here are some improvements that have been made in the redesign. The homepage has an easily navigatable bar at the top, which has links to also the About page, which would allow people to learn more about the company. The news page has the 3 main sections: the buzz, race reports, and all things moto, which, if clicked on, would send to more articles. And there would be the most recent articles of the day on this page. The video page would have the same 3-box format with the most recent videos with dates and headlines underneath. There is also a see more option. The contact us page would allow for readers to easily get in contact with the company. Transworld Motocross just needs a little work and a lot of work to keep it updated, and it can be even more of a success than it is right now.